Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall lip combo try on. I found a lot of these lip combos on TikTok and I thought it'd be fun to sit down and just try them out for myself on camera. And the best part is that these are all using affordable products, mostly NYX and one ColourPop gloss. So if you want to see these fall lip combos, keep on watching. Okay, so I have a list in front of me of the lip combos I want to try, including the lip liner, the lipstick, and the gloss, if it's in the look. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the list. So the first lip combo I have is the NYX Nude Truffle Liner and the Fortune Cookie Lip Gloss. So this is the Nude Truffle Lip Liner, and I just think this is the regular slim lip pencil, not a suede one. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this. My lips are kind of crusty. My lips are always kind of crusty, so hopefully these lip combos don't look too bad. So I tried to moisturize them because I knew I was filming this video. I have a bit of lip balm on. I think that's kind of making it hard to apply, so I'm going to take most of it off. And I'm just going to put a bit of the Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss on from NYX in the center of my lips. And this is what this lip combo looks like. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this lip combo off and we'll move on to the next one. I just have a little bit of micellar water on a cotton pad. Okay, the next lip combo is the NYX Cold Brew Lip Liner and the Athens Soft Matte Lipstick with the Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss. And this is a suede matte lip liner. Oh no, I lost the tip of the lip liner. So okay, I'm just gonna sharpen it now. Okay, now I'm going to take the Athens Soft Matte Lip Cream, which is a light peachy pink, and just apply this on the center. And last but not least, just pop on a little bit of the Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss in the center. And this is what this combo looks like. It's kind of dark, but it's giving me very fall vibes. I kind of like it. It really complements the eye makeup as well. This is actually the lip combo I was wearing on my last makeup tutorial. I think it was the bronzer video. So I'm going to take this one off and we'll just keep chugging along on these lip combos. Okay, I think I'm starting to rub away my foundation on my lower lip, so I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand with my brush and just kind of buff it over. Okay, moving on, the next lip combo I have is the Nude Beige Lip Liner and the Fortune Cookie Gloss. We're just gonna take the gloss. Okay, this might be my favorite lip combo I've tried so far. This is definitely the most nude on me. I think it's super flattering. My lips are starting to feel a bit dry just from taking off all the lipstick. And the next lip combo I'm going to do is the Sandstorm Lip Liner, and then I'm going to put a gloss in the center. I don't know what gloss I want to put yet. It might be Fortune Cookie, it might be a different one. We'll see. I'm just gonna try on the lip liner first and we'll roll with it. Okay, so Sandstorm is a Suede matte lip liner from NYX. And I think I'm gonna spice this one up a little bit, and I'm going to take the ColourPop Luxe gloss, and this is in the shade Renaissance. I think this is a limited edition gloss. I'm not sure, I just picked it up in Ulta and it has this packaging, which is super cute with like flowers and stuff, so we'll see how this turns out. And this has a nice big applicator too. It smells really good. Okay, I lied. This might actually be my favorite lip combo I've tried, just because I think this lip liner is a bit more flattering on me. It's a bit warmer than the last one. And then this gloss just smells so good, and it's got a gold shimmer, which just adds such a nice little pop. Okay, and my last lip combo is the NYX Los Angeles Lip Liner and the Abu Dhabi Soft Matte Lip Cream. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, admittedly my lips look a little rough here because I tried to even them out and it just turned into me overlining them a lot, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. Now I'm just gonna take the soft matte lip cream and we'll see what happens. And this is the final lip combo. Really like the lip liner on this. I'm not sure how I feel about the soft matte lip cream though. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try out any of these lip combos and what your current favorite lip combo is. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina and I upload 3 times a week. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye everyone.